I am explaining multilevel inheritance by Java program. Let us assume here my mother is superclass here and her class name is class grandmother. My mother is grandmother of my daughter. My daughter class name is class daughter. I am here intermediate or middle subclass for my mother, but for my daughter I am superclass here and my class name is class mother. My daughter is accessing two methods or behaviors, eat and run, through object D from her grandmother class, and from my class she is accessing sleep, method or behavior, and walk, is her own method. After run compiler from main class it will be print the output. Grandmother is eating. Grandmother is running. Mother is sleeping. Daughter is walking. Now I am explaining hierarchical inheritance. In this type of inheritance the superclass will have more than one subclasses. Therefore it is known as hierarchical inheritance. For example, I am superclass, but my daughter and son is acting as subclasses here. From given the diagram you can understand easily both will inherit my behavior and properties. How to work hierarchical inheritance in Java program. Let us assume here I am superclass here and my class name is class mother. My daughter class name is class daughter. And my son class name is class son. Both are inheriting my behaviors or methods, for in this code my daughter is accessing eat, method, and my son is accessing sleep, method, by using objects my daughter, D, and son, S, respectively. After run compiler from main class it will give output. Mother is eating. Mother is sleeping.